I would like to invite our special guest, Mr. Indrabhuvan Singh, sir, CEO of MTTL Agro Limited, the man of distinct vision and a fountainhead of illuminating ideas, an idol of knowledge and experience, and inspiration to all of us. Sir, please provide us your valuable thought, Mr. Indrabhuvan Singh, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am, for this wonderful introduction. Can I be audible?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Can you
sir.
hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. And, before starting my presentation, I would like to pay my thanks to organizer, this government PG Swami Vivekananda College, Satna, principal ma'am, and special thanks to Tiwari sir who provided me this opportunity to express my view on this very relevant and burning topic, Atmanirbhar Bharat, opportunities and challenges. Yeah. So, welcome to all of you. The topic is Atmanirbhar Bharat, opportunities and challenges. My flow of presentation of this webinar will go like this. Atmanirbhar Bharat, a vision, goal and objective, pillars of Atmanirbhar Bharat, opportunities and challenges, and last but not the least, action to be taken. Is it visible to all, ma'am?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Okay, thank you. A vision. Vision is very important in life for any kind of country, any kind of nation, and especially for this topic, Atmanirbhar. This Atmanirbhar concept will come from patriotism. What is important? When somebody will love his country, then he will start thinking for self-reliant or Atmanirbhar. And we should start practicing in our daily life. It should be part of our daily life. And we should take oath to use Indian products on large scale. Here, I am not telling that we should not use any other products or brand or MNC. No. But to rely on Atmanirbhar Bharat, we should try to encourage our Indian products. Aware and encourage others to do so also. Self-reliant does not mean cutting off from rest of the world. We have to go parallel to parallel. My Indian product should make the footprint in India also as well as abroad also. So we should spread our product all across the globe. And the most important, the bigger picture should become as in the global economy. So that is the vision we should think for making this Atmanirbhar Bharat in long term. Now, goals. What is the goal? Turning crisis into opportunity. That is the need of the hour. Combine the potential public-private partnership that is highly required in current scenario and work for bigger picture. Then these are the goals to achieve the self-reliance on the longer term. Now, objective. Yeah. What is the objective? Objective liquidity infusion that is highly required in current scenario. Direct cash transfers for the poor that is going to give us best relief in this current acute stress condition. Long-term reforms in growth critical sectors to make them globally competitive and attractive. So this is the objective of current scenario. Now, the pillars of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Here, five pillars of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Economy, demography, system, infrastructure, and demand. Economy, there should be need of quantum jump in package. Demography, deviant, and it should be vibrant. System, it should be technology driven. Infrastructure, we need modern India so that we can self-reliant in all aspect, all respect. And demand, this is the highly required in current scenario. So these are the 5 pillars of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Now, impact of package. As a primary sector, what should be the package concept? One nation, one market. One nation, one market is going to give us food factory for the whole world. Self-sustainable rural economy. Manrega infusion of 40,000 crore to all the migrant laborers in coming time. Secondary sector, all the MSMEs, around 3 lakh crore package is announced by the government. It's a pre-loan facility, leveraging India's competitive advantage and limiting the imports of weapons, increasing limit of foreign direct investment in defense sector. So these are the package announcement done by the government side. Now, associated challenges of packages. Always government announced the package, but issue arise from liquidity. Where is the cash? Where is the cash flow? Sometimes lack of demand, lack of backward and forward linkages, burgeoning fiscal deficits, and difficulties in mobilizing finances. So these are the some challenges associated with packages all time. According to the IFF, International Monetary Fund, they are projecting Indian economy is going to shrink 4.5% in 2020 and would be 6% in 2021. And in this current difficult time, government of India, they have yeah. So RBI has taken the important measures like policy changes, bold reforms, many relief packages, bank loans, infrastructure building. The current sector overview: FMCG demand above average, e-commerce doing above average, services like taxi and hospitality, they are finding difficulties in this current scenario. Survival for fittest, we can say. IT companies, the concept has arisen work from home, WFS, and that is going to be continue for coming time also because it's saving the operating and maintenance cost. Work from home, that is the new concept is coming in all various sectors, well, not only in IT companies, apart from other sectors also. Now, challenges of manufacturing units. Now, day by day, the cost is increasing, low or very low revenue, shortage of labors because of this migration, reduction in the production, limited sales, and MSME's financial operational challenge, loans and salaries. They are not dispersing on time. So these are the challenges manufacturing sector facing in current scenario. Now, current challenge on the ground, the actual loans are not reaching to MSMEs. Banks are taking only essential services in current time. Some bank branches are sealed due to this pandemic issue of Corona COVID-19. Non-availability of stamp paper for the bank guarantees. And most important, the blockage on the implementation of government policies on the ground, which is called bureaucracy. So bureaucracy is a very big curse on Indian economy, I can say, and where we should need to improve. We need bureaucracy, but bureaucracy should be for good work, for the better facilitation of the work, not for blockage of the work. If you remove the bureaucracy from India, India will grow like anything. So bureaucracy is the big curse on Indian economy. Agriculture economy, we have big challenges in like lack of private investment, water scarcity, various policies not on the ground, marketing, price challenges. These all are the major challenges in agriculture sector. Opportunities in agriculture, barrier-free interstate trade of farm product, which already announced by the government of India. Now, any farmers can sell their product from one state to another state all across the country. And I thanks to the government of India for this initiative. That's a fantastic initiative, and the farmers is going to be benefited from this trade. So they are not going to dependent on the middleman commission agent. Online portal for farmer, small and marginal farmer pooling transport facilities for new market development, export agricultural products. So farmers need to adhere to the quality, international standards. So we can have our footprints in global markets also. And in addition to that, focus on organic farming for the global health. This is also the new need of the hour, which our Indian farmers should understand and try to adopt in their practices also. Demographic dividend in India. That is the biggest strength of India in the world. One of the youngest population in world with the median age of around 28. So this is our biggest strength, and we should try to make the biggest advantage of this strength. Bulge in the working age population till 2055. Till 2055, we have the highest and window for demographic dividend opportunity is going to last for next 5 decades. So you see, here is a big opportunity. Here is a big strength of India. ये हमारी सबसे बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ है यंगेस्ट पॉपुलेशन होने का. तो ये समय आ चुका है कि हम इस अवसर का लाभ उठाएं और अपने देश को सबसे ऊपर जाकर खड़ा करें. हमारे पास सब कुछ है, टैलेंट है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है, रिसोर्स है. हमें कमी क्या है? विल पावर की. तो इसको हमको लाना होगा अपने जीवन में. और जो हमारी यंगेस्ट पॉपुलेशन है उनको बहुत ही सेंसिटिव और सेंसिबल होना होगा. These are the opportunity in demographic dividend. Better economic growth, rapid industrialization and urbanization. Because 65% working population in India falls under the category of labor. So which can be the opportunity for coming time. Better economic growth. Now challenges in demographic dividend, asymmetrical demography, lack of skills, low human development parameters, informal nature of economy, is not organized sector in India, and jobless growth. These are the biggest challenge in demographic dividend which India facing. Action to be taken. What is required in current scenario? We should focus on building human capital, because human capital is the asset for any country, and we have to improve the education, skill development, health, and job creation. At the same time, urbanization with the concept of smart mission and Amrut. So these are the recommendations for the current scenario. Infrastructure in India, it's highly required in current time. Foreign investor attraction required, planned logistics infrastructure required, and huge subsidy also required from the government side to run this infrastructure sector to the next level, which is lacking in current time. And estimated investment needed for this project around $777 billion is required for the better infrastructure in India up to 2022, so that our market can start, so that wheel of the economy can run. Now this is the bigger picture. What is India? $100 billion e-commerce market by 2020. That was the projected one. But because of this pandemic, COVID-19, that's thing. But still we have the opportunity, still we have the market. India is a very big market. 15 billion railway passengers by 2020, 1 million daily air travelers by 2020, largest aviation market by 2030, and third largest economy by purchasing power parity, second largest railway network, 3 trillion consumer market by 2020, $475 billion travel and tourism market, and so on. So you can see that India has immense opportunities and immense potential. So what is need? Need to act on the ground in the coordination with the government policies and
शड गिरा
regulations.
है, वो आया था अभी शड. हाँ.
Now, how it's going to achieve? Vocal for local and local to global. As our Honorable Prime Minister given the slogan, we have to focus on local products. Local product means we are going to manufacture in India and we are going to make this brand at Indian market, and same time we are going to promote to global market. So go vocal for local and local to global. So this is the need of the hour. And every Indian, I would like to encourage your Indian products. Please make that brand. Then we can have a presence in all international market and we can feel proud for our country. Because you should love our country. When you love your country, then we can adhere to this slogan, vocal for local and local to global. Now it's very way forward. How it will look like? You can see this is the way forward and this is the attitude. And this image is self-explanatory. If you see this pencil, sometimes in life, everything goes smoothly. Sometimes in life, everything goes smoothly. Like straight to this pencil. Another situation, and sometimes unexpected happens. Unexpected means like COVID, like lockdown. What happened? Pencil broke down from the center, from the middle. Can you audible? Can I audible to all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
Can I audible to all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And picture is clear on screen?
Yes, sir. It's clear. It's clear. It's very nice presentation, sir.
Yeah. And sometimes the pencil broken from the middle. So what we should do? This is the problem. The last option is, important thing is to know how to turn problems into opportunity. What we done here? From this two broken pencil, I make two pencil. So this is the attitude, this is the approach which every Indians require in current scenario, this COVID-19 pandemic. And every crisis has an opportunity. It only depends on people perception. It depends on their attitude, optimistic and pessimistic. If you see the glass, if it is half filled glass of water, if it is optimistic person, he is going to tell you it's filled with half water. If it is pessimistic person, he is going to tell you it is half filled. So it depends on your attitude, your approach. So what is most required? How to change your attitude and try to develop the positive attitude inside your heart and take the positive willpower. We can do anything. We can achieve anything. It's all about the strong willpower, determination, dedication, and commitment. For any inquiry, contact me on the given address given there below. And thank you so much for your time and attention. And a humble request to all my audience and my followers. India is one of the beautiful country in the world. And I feel proud for my India. I'm Indian. I'm staying in Africa from last 10 years. But even though I am keeping India in my heart, and this is the right time. This COVID-19 has given us opportunity to make India number one in this world. We have everything. Only lack of willpower. So let's come together. Let's come together, join hands together to make this country world guru in coming time. Thank you so much, and have a good day to all of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Thank you.
so much for your unique way of describing the things. Really, we are amazed. And you had said very well that vocal for local and local to global, the keywords of this topic. अब कार्यक्रम